Hello students, standard 7 subject max chapter 11 exercise 11.2. See in your textbook what is given. Find the area of each of the following parallelograms. You have to find the area of each of this parallelogram. First one I will do, rest of the others you have to do. First one I am doing. See what is given. Height is given, base is given. Okay, so what is the formula? Base into height. Okay, area, what we have to find first. Solution, what we have to write first is, see properly, if you want to draw figure you draw it, otherwise you write it down properly what is given in this example. B means base is equal to what? 7 centimeter. Height is what? 4 centimeter. Okay, is given 4 centimeter. Now we have to find area of the parallelogram is equal to what? What is the formula for this? You have to remember, in the introduction video we have learned. So 7 into 4 is equal to what? 28 centimeter is given, so centimeter square. This is your answer. Rest of the others you have to do. Now second question, find the area of each of the following triangles. Triangles formula you remember, half into base into height, isn't it? So first one is given AC, 3, height, base is 4, isn't it? So what you have to write here? यहाँ पे देखो, B is given what? 4 centimeter. H is given 3 centimeter, isn't it? Now what you have to write? Area of triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height, isn't it? So what is half? Base what? 4 into 3, so 2 2s are 4. What is remain? 2 3s are 6 centimeter square. This is your answer. Okay, now third one, see what is given. Find the missing value. You have to find the missing value. First one I am doing, rest of the others you have to do. First one, see base is given, height is not given, we have to find, and area is given. So what you have to do? You have to just write down the formula and then you have to solve. Okay, so what is given? First you write that base is given, B is equal to 20 centimeter. H is not given. Area is equal to 246 centimeter. 246 centimeter square. So what you have to do is, area of the parallelogram is equal to what? B into H. So this is given, isn't it? 246 is equal to 20 into H. Therefore H is equal to 246 divided by 20. So what will come? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 123 or 0 is there, so you put it here. 12.3 centimeter. This is your base. This is your height. Base is given, height is not. We have to find height, isn't it? This is the height. Understood? What is not given, that you have to find by dividing if area is given. Okay, now fourth one. See what is given here. Fourth one, find the missing value of area of triangle is given. Okay, base is given, height is not given. Same method you have to apply and do. Okay, see how to do. Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into H. So area is given what? 87 is equal to half into base is given 15 and height is not given. Okay, so what you have to do to find out the height? हाइट फाइंड करने के लिए 80 से ये इसका और इसका मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 87 into 2 and your what is remain 15 is remain. 15 कर देना है. ओके, नाउ इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लाई करो. 2 7 ज़ा 14, 1 2 8 ज़ा 16 17 174 upon 15. Okay, 174 upon 15. Now divide it. 15 1 ज़ा 15, 15 1 ज़ा 15, then 6 ज़ा. So 1.6 centimeter. This is your height. Okay, therefore the height of triangle is 11.6 centimeter. Understood? Now rest of the others you have to do. Fifth question in next video.